find the value of definite integral from 1 to 5 for 1 over sed 2x minus 1 using substitution method. So I'm going to use u equals to sed 2x minus 1. You may use 2x minus 1 instead of a sed, but I think it will be easier with the sed. Just before we differentiate, let us square both sides first. So u square equals to 2x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. We're going to get 2u du dx equals to 2, and dx equals to u du. Now if we substitute into the function, we're going to get 1 over u, dx is u du, so u du. Simplify u over u is 1, and we can't use the same limits because this is in terms of x, so let us change in terms of u. If x equals to 5, then u equals 2. Substitute into u equals to sed 2x minus 1. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1 is 9, sed 9 is 3. X equals to 1, u equals 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, sed 1 is 1. So we have new limits, which the upper limits is 3 and the lower limit is 1. So if we integrate 1, we're going to get u, and we substitute the limits 3 and 1 into u, we're going to get 3 minus 1, which is 2. That's it.